Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to sort data in Excel. It's something that comes in handy as you're trying to clean up your data and visualize your data in a way that's easy to understand. And so there's a couple different ways to do that. What you want to do is, if you're on the Home tab, click on your Data tab here at the top. And then again, a couple different ways you can do it. You can click on the Filter button, and that's going to give you filters for all of the different columns. You can click on that and you can select to sort it in ascending or descending order. So if we click on ascending, it's gonna do that for you. It's gonna adjust all the other columns as well, which is great. And so it's very easy to do, very simple to do. But let's say you want to sort more than one column. That's easy to do as well. You can click on the sort button here, and it's gonna get this. You're gonna get this sort pop-up window here. And it's going to ask you, what is the primary thing you want to sort? So the question is, what's the first thing that you want to prioritize in terms of sorting? So let's say we want our segment column. That needs to be sorted first. So we're going to go ahead and click on segment, and it's going to sort the cell values based on ascending order. So it's going to give us our first letter in the alphabet first. Let's say we want to add a level. After we have our segment sorted, we want to sort by country. It's going to give us the cell values, but let's say this one we want to go descending order. So it's going to give us our last letter of the alphabet first. So it'll give us United States of America. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. And so you'll see that now it's all filtered so that it's giving us our first segment letter, which is channel partners. It goes into enterprise. It's all sorted there. And then with our country, it gives us United States first, which is the last country of our data. So again, very easy to do. And if you want to go in and adjust that, it's easy. You just select your data, then again, hit Control A, click on sort, and then those filters are going to be there. That sort data is going to be there. So let's say we want to adjust our countries. We're going to do that one alphabetical as well. And then let's just do one more level. So you can add as many levels as you need to, which is really nifty. And then we're going to do our product, which is the product that we're selling in those different countries. And we want to sort that A to Z as well. So we'll just hit OK. And again, it's giving us that alphabetical order for our segment, a country, and our product in those orders. And so really, really useful tool. And then if you want, you can adjust. You just select, let's say we want to first do our product. We can click on that row and then hit this up button, and it's going to pop it up. It's going to move it up to wherever you want it. So now it's first, and then our segment, and then our country. But let's say we want our segment at the bottom. Again, just click on the row, click on the down arrow, and now we're able to arrange those columns how we want them. We'll hit OK. And then now we see it's prioritizing product, and then country, and then segment. So as we can see here, the data is very well organized. We have a lot of flexibility on how we want to see it. And so something to be familiar with and to put in your Excel toolbox, because this will definitely come in handy. So I hope this was helpful and hope that it answered any questions you might have. If you do have additional questions, please feel to leave those in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.